Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about Realme phone sound and vibration settings. So in this video friends I will show you how to on silent mode in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to on your silent mode in your Realme phone. So friends, how can you on in this video friends? I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. So first of all guys, scroll it means swipe up, and guys you can see your phone setting. Guys, tap here. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting your Realme phone. So once click on guys your sound and vibration setting guys, then guys you can see this type of your sound and vibration settings. So friends, you can see sound mode. So friends, tap here to on silent mode. So friends, you can see your silent mode here. So once you want to on, so you can on from here. So as your phone will silent, you can see this icon on your screen. So like that guys, you can turn on your silent mode from your phone setting in Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye friends. Before going, please go and like the video.